The action camera world is on fire with excitement, and it's all because of one name, GoPro Max 2. As one of the most anticipated camera launches in recent years, the GoPro Max 2 is rumored to break boundaries with revolutionary upgrades, especially in video resolution, lens customization, and 360-degree performance. If you thought the original Max was impressive, wait until you hear what GoPro is planning for the sequel. The leaks are not just exciting, they're absolutely mind-blowing. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we'll unpack everything you need to know about the GoPro Max 2, from 8K 360-degree video support to swappable lenses, a complete UI overhaul, and even hints at Apple Vision Pro integration. Whether you're a content creator, vlogger, extreme sports enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates bleeding-edge tech, the Max 2 might just be the most powerful consumer 360 camera ever made. Let's get into the leaks, upgrades, release timeline, and why you should hold off buying another camera until you see what this beast brings in 2025. The GoPro Max was launched in late 2019 as the brand's answer to the rising demand for 360-degree video capture. It combined GoPro's rugged design with dual lenses for full immersive footage. While it was innovative at the time, competitors like Insta360 rapidly caught up, and in some cases, surpassed GoPro in both features and user interface. Since then, fans have been eagerly awaiting a GoPro Max successor. But GoPro took its time. And now, after years of development, the GoPro Max 2 is finally becoming a reality. And if the leaks are true, it could be a game-changer not just for 360 video, but for modular, cinematic-grade content capture. The headline feature that's dominating all leaks is the support for 8K 360-degree video. According to leaked benchmarks and supplier documentation, the GoPro Max 2 is set to record 8K at 30 frames per second, with support for 6K at 60 frames per second, and possibly even 4K at 120 frames per second in standard linear, non-360 mode. This would make the Max 2 the most powerful 360 consumer camera ever released, eclipsing current offerings from Insta360, Candow, and Ricoh. What does 8K in 360 mean in real terms? Sharper immersive video experiences, even when reframing. Improved clarity during movement-heavy footage. Crisp content for VR platforms, YouTube 360, and even Apple Vision Pro. Better stabilization without sacrificing resolution during crops. With 8K footage, creators can punch in, reframe, zoom, and pan around the shot, without any loss in visual quality. Perhaps the most mind-blowing leak is that the GoPro Max may second feature modular, swappable lenses. This is a huge departure from GoPro's traditional fixed lens design and gives the Max 2 the flexibility of a hybrid 360-plus standard action cam. Here's how it's expected to work. Default dual lens system for 360 recording. Ability to remove the 360 modules and attach single lens mods, wide, linear, or telephoto. Optional ND filters, macro adapters, and possibly anamorphic lenses. Quick lock magnetic or threaded mount system for rapid swaps. With this innovation, users could shift from vlogging to cinematic B-roll or extreme sports capture without carrying multiple cameras. This makes the Max 2 incredibly versatile for creators on the move. Leaked firmware strings suggest the GoPro Max 2 will run on a brand new